Hi there guys, welcome back to the Farrington channel, and in today's video I thought I would invest in Firo on Inodes. I did a video previously on my Raptarium holdings, as I can show you my stats here just really quickly. So as you can see, that's the value of it. It's only worth 22 bucks at the moment. It was worth over 100, but what I thought was, as I saw that there was Firo here, and I've noticed that nobody else themselves has done any videos in regards to Firo investing or anything like that. What I decided maybe what I'd do is I would go ahead and make a video on investing into Firo. Okay, so what I'm going to need to do is get myself my account opened up on Inodes, and then I'm going to need to get them to send me a email just to verify I am who I am. And then what I'm going to need to do is go ahead and acquire some Firo. Okay, so just to take a quick look over Firo as a coin. This is a coin that was renamed from Zcoin to Firo, so they rebranded themselves. And the market is very typical to how all the other coins have been currently playing out in the past few months. So there's nothing really too worrisome about this. It does seem to be holding itself pretty steady, and you can see there's been a clean pump there, and it's also then kind of held its ground pretty much for quite a period of time. So I'm definitely interested in maybe just putting in maybe about 10-15 bucks, nothing too crazy, just to feel it out and just see what it would look like in the stats on my side. So checking over the market, and I realised the only place that I can purchase it will be through Binance that I actually hold an account on. Some of the other ones are a bit janky, so what I'm going to do is acquire some more of this. So let's go to the markets. Let's just open up on this. Type in the Firo search history. Okay, so what I'm going to need to do now is buy as much Firo as I can. Okay, so I've got 15 bucks in there. Let's buy that Firo. And then once that has completely gone through as an order, what we're going to need to do is, email has been sent, generate address. So that's what you're going to need to do once you've accepted your email, and it'll unlock your account for an hour, and then you'll be able to deposit and withdraw and things like that and change addresses. Okay, so we'll copy that address there, so we've got that, and this is where we would onboard, so this is where we would deposit our Firo in there to get into one of the smart nodes. Okay, so is this filled? No, 0% is filled. Okay, so let's cancel this off. Let's do this again. Do it as a market order. Okay, so there we go, that's filled. And then what you're going to need to do is the address that you just saw there. So let's press withdraw. Whitelist enabled. Okay, so what I've done is I've gone ahead and I've whitelisted this address, and then what I'm also going to do straight after this is I am going to get this sent across. Once you've added it to your whitelist, collect the one that you've added to your whitelist, and I'm going to be sending 5.17 Firo to the node. So let's press withdraw. Verify the receiver is on the same block. That's the fee. Okay, so I've sent off the withdrawal. It's just waiting for approval, and once this has gone through, I'll show you what it looks like on my Inodes account. Okay, so let's have a little look at my Inodes account now. Let's see if this has been transferred in. Okay, current balance 5.17. So now that this is investing into Inodes, all I'm going to do really is just check it out in a couple of days, see what kind of stats that it gives me, to tell me how much Firo that I've earned for it being in there. And I also noticed as well on the dashboard. Let's just go to the dashboard, go on the smart mode nodes. I did notice that this also went up from 0.5 to 3.69, so I'm not sure if that has anything to do with me physically popping mine in there, but it definitely did increase for me putting that on there, so that's not too bad. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to end the video here. But if you would like to see more information on my Firo or in regards to iNodes or anything like that, please do let us know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.